Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to explain the process essay. What is a process essay? It is a type of essay that explains a process essay of making or breaking something. This essay is often written in chronological order or in numerical order to show the step-by-step process. So let's start with some tips to write a process essay. Number 1, the order essay must be chronological. That means that the steps must be logical and one by one, and they have some relations with each other. The other tips is that in process essay, you use transitional words, like for example, and, or. So those transitional words. Don't use imperative sentence. Don't use too much connection, then or and, because the text will be very boring for the audience. So if you have these tips, you are going to write a good process essay. The structure of process essay. There are 3 components that are very important. The first one is the introduction. The second one is the body of the paragraph. And the last one is the conclusion. Let's start with the first part or structure of the process essay, that is the introduction. So colorful descriptions. It is very important because it should grab the attention of the reader or should take the attention of the reader. We have here an example, like Japanese sushi is a well-known dish which is loved for all over the world. So this is very attractive for the reader at the moment of read, and and the reader has the motivation to read more about this text or about this topic. So we have here the body paragraph. That is the second structure of the process essay. What is a body paragraph? Well, it follows your outline closely and create. And what is the outline? Is the list that you are going, or the details that you are going to describe in the paragraph of the body paragraph. For example, you are going to make a list like the ingredients, first, how you are going to cook that ingredients, and then how you are going to serve those ingredients. So that's why your outline needs to be closely and create appropriate headlines to divide your paper. So headlines to divide your paper. So that means that you have to list those things that I mentioned before, like the ingredients, how you are going to make those ingredients, and how you are going to serve. So those are very closely, and this is very important to do a very cute paragraph for a process essay. And the last structure of a paragraph essay is the conclusion. You can restate the importance of the topic, so you can mention the same things that you have already mentioned in the paragraph, but in other words. You just are going to restate. So the structure of process essay are introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. So these steps are very important at the moment of writing the process essay. Okay, this is all my presentation I did. I hope you like it, and these are the most important things about the process essay. Thank you.